Good morning, good afternoon, and a very good evening, depending where and when you're watching this. I am, of course, Fuzzy Monster, and let's just start off. Does this tilt anyone that it's not straight on the screen? Because that's kind of tilting me a bit. Hang on, 2 seconds. Not so tilting. So we have a bit of an unboxing video today. I've been sat on this for a while now. So I'm recording this on the 1st of May, 2022. I brought this on the 25th of January 2022, so it's been a couple of months. I should have made a video sooner, and I know I should have, because they went out of stock as soon as I got them, and they were really hard to get hold of anywhere, Amazon, the website themselves, and I've just been sat on it. So today we are going to unbox this parcel. If you haven't guessed by the video title and the video thumbnail, let's jump in. And we have some packaging. Oh yeah. So in this box we have, almost around the right way, we have the Elgato Stream Deck pedal. Now, I'm a streamer, I'm a content creator. When this come out, I literally seen it. I don't know what I was doing. I think I was on break at work at the time, and I seen a post from their Twitter saying they just launched this. I was on the website within an hour of that message going out, and I got one. And then they sold out everywhere, and I never made a video. So I love Elgato. I am not a fanboy. I may act like one, but I'm not. So a quick rundown of what Elgato products I have. I'm currently using the Wave 3 with the Wave 3 pop filter, the Wave 3 shock mount, and that's what you're hearing me on now, so hopefully it sounds nice and crisp. I have a 4K 60 Pro capture card. I have a Stream Deck. Very, very nicely been decorated by my eldest. And something fun that I've just learned about this is there's actually two heights to this. I thought there was only one, so you could only have that angle. I knocked it the other day and these came loose. And apparently I didn't know that you could have it down at a lower level. And if I'm honest, that's been my biggest bugbear about this, and I've just found out by essentially breaking it. Stream Deck XL, which I haven't actually opened yet because I've been waiting to unbox that and get it set up properly. I also own the key light, the green screen MT, the collapsible green screen, and then they go into like the multi-mount section, and now this is where it gets a lot. So I have the phone grip, the heavy base, two solid arms, a multi-mount large, a wall mount, and a flexi arm kit. And I'm not even going to go into the company that owns them. I'm not even going to go to the Corsair stuff that I own, because I'm also a fanboy of Corsair. You wouldn't guess it. But we're going to open this up. We're going to have a look at the software. Now, I'm sure people have done lots of review videos on this, so this isn't a review video as such. This is just my first impressions of the product a couple of months after they release it. Yeah, let's jump into it. The thing I love with Elgato unboxings and stuff is this pull tab is on every product, and it just makes it seem a lot nicer. This is the back of the box, and it shows you a little bit what you can do with it. It shows what the software looks like. Now, we haven't got into the software part, but I will load that up. Have a look. It says a bit about it, and it is really good, actually. Very basic box, which is good. I hate the overcomplicated boxes. Now, this is what I love doing on every Elgato product. Oh, in one go. And there's a plastic bag. Just what I ordered. Now, this is now available on Amazon, and they are back in stock. The price I paid was £79.99 in pounds. I don't know. It was heavier than I thought it was. So I did watch one video of it in use, but Oh, there's 3 pedals. I thought there was 2. Okay. We'll get into that in a minute. You obviously get an instruction manual, which tells you a bit about the setup, how to change the springs. So this is what these are. So you get spring set 2000, spring set 1400, middle pedal stopper, spring set 1000, spring set 700. So the fact they've actually thought about this, and that will obviously change the adjustment of how hard it feels to push, which is good. We'll have a go at changing one of those in a minute. Get a little Elgato hook thing, and a very nicely braided cable. Now, that is a nice cable. It's not a cheap plastic one, which is good. Let's get rid of this box. Their packaging is something else. So every product that I've opened from Elgato is very well packaged. It's very, I don't think the words, recycled. It feels like it's been thought about. Ooh. That. First impressions. That is nice. It's quite hard to push. I don't know how my foot would feel about that. So, this is the back. USB Type C. I guess to change them over. Hang on, I'll put this on the floor and just stand on it quick. I kind of like that, to be fair. It's not too soft. So to change it, we have to get a screwdriver and take the screws off and change it over. So let's have a go. Okay. That must just be... What do the stoppers do? Oh, that's cool. So it says, lock the middle pedal, the included stoppers to convert it into a convenient footrest. I feel like they really thought about this. Something simple and usable. So, do we know what... So those ones obviously... Well, they're bigger than the ones in the middle. Are they? No. The same fuzzy? What are you talking about? Well, no, I feel like the ones in the middle are softer. They're harder. So, let's go straight to 2000 and see what they're like. Oh wow, that's a lot harder to push. I guess when you go down to 700, it's just the... Yeah, I think the higher you go, the harder they are to push. You know what? I actually like how they feel right now, so... Yeah, that's cool they give you that, and actually they give you the middle stoppers. So you could turn that into a footrest. Very nice touch, actually. Alright, let's screw this back on. Right. Now, let's switch over to the PC view and we will get this plugged in. Right, we are back. I have never plugged this in before, so we are going to plug this in for the first time. That is a very plentiful cable, which is good. A button or a light on the top? We are going to check over there. I'm going to plug this into the PC and we will see what happens. It's plugged in. Ooh. New stream deck detected. Oh, look, there's a look. Oh, hello. It's a new icon. I don't know what's going on. Do you want to copy the profiles from Stream Deck to your new Stream Deck? Okay, don't copy. Okay, can this be moved around? Oh, it can. It can go anywhere. I guess this shows what you're pressing. Okay, I get that. That's pretty cool. Let's open up Stream Deck. So normally when you come into Stream Deck for the first time, you will be on your Stream Deck profile. So this is mine. All my buttons I use for my streams and stuff. Stream Deck pedal is a new one, so I think it's literally the same as so I can literally just do. So we could, for example, add this to our scenes. Ooh. So we could, by press of a button, go to our starting soon. Which is cool. I wonder then, is there any, like, plugins that are specific for... Voice mod's a good one. Muting was a good one. So we could mute ourselves if we wanted to. So is it audio devices? Toggle mute. So just say we're in a game and we are talking. We could just press a button and stop talking. Obviously not stop talking now, but... And it shows you on this little icon, which you could have... I guess it shows over... Yeah, it stays on top of everything. Push to talk for Discord, all these things. So, for example, I could have... Bruh. Playing. That could obviously be like a sound effect board. It's interesting you couldn't... There's no... like, second screen for the pedal. Unlike with the Stream Deck, you can go to the next page. You can only have one, which is interesting. You could do, like... maybe the next button, because obviously you always see what's up here. Just an idea. If you get what I mean. Do you get what I mean? So these could be the two buttons. So you mute, your sound effect, and you can have a next page to go to like 2 new sound effects, and then press the next page to go back. I don't know if that's possible. It doesn't let you are. Have a look, see if they've got anything. Obviously, this is not a review as such. This is just me having a mess around. Let's have a quick scroll through. Is there any way we can... Utilities video... But I'll definitely be using this for when I'm streaming. So I could have like my mute, obviously my mute button for my mic. And then my big one could be like for my be right back screen or something. Or like when I'm playing Fortnite, doing sound effects and stuff for kills. Like overlays and stuff. This is a nice bit of kit. Really weighted. It's thin. It's usable. And you know what? I might do a 30-day catch-up, maybe, so you know how I got on with it. But obviously, like I said, this is not a review. This is just me having a look at a cool new bit of tech. As such, I do like how that hangs. Why did I press that? Oh, that's cool. If you just press that, it takes you to the... Okay, I like that. If we unplug it, will it disappear? Disappears when you unplug it. Okay. And comes back when it reappears. Okay, cool. Thank you all for watching. I have been Fuzzy Monster. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for the YouTube channel. We are 6 away currently at recording this to 100, which is our target for the year. And until next time, stay safe, look after each other, and peace out. Bye.